Hi, I'm Brian Linder, and thanks for stopping by Check Point's virtual booth here at Black Hat USA 2020. Now, while you're here, spend a few minutes with some product demos. Join our colleagues from Check Point Research, the world's leading cybersecurity research team, to learn about the most recent and critical findings. Check out some case studies, meet with one of our cybersecurity experts, and while you're at it, imagine you're in Vegas by trying your luck at our cyber trivia. If you've ever wondered about the secret lives of email spammers, join Alexander from Check Point Research. He'll give you the full scoop on a 6-figure Nigerian fraud campaign. In another session, learn how the Nikon APT group engaged in long-term espionage against multiple governments, going undetected amazingly for years. Listen, these are just a couple of the interesting stories that we've got available. There are more for you to view, including some eye-opening research on WhatsApp vulnerabilities. And don't miss our speaking session on August 5th at 12:50 p.m. Pacific, 3:50 p.m. in the East, where Oded and Roman from Check Point Research dig deep into the multiple vulnerabilities they found in TikTok, allowing hackers to access accounts. Find this one by clicking Home, then Sponsored Sessions. Do me a favor, don't leave our booth until you enter our raffle. You may be the lucky one to win an Xbox One S, a pair of Surface headphones, or believe it or not, a high-end bread maker. We look forward to meeting with you this week. Don't forget to send us a meeting request so we can connect you with the right experts one-on-one. Now, here's how you do this. Go below me and click Book a Meeting. Select a time that works for you, and when it says Select a Place, choose the only option, which is the Check Point virtual booth. Now, put a little bit in the message to let us know how we can help. Then click Send Meeting Request. We'll connect you with the right expert and get back to you ASAP. This is Brian Linder. Enjoy your time with Check Point here at Black Hat Virtual 2020.